The Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb is a very popular product and it helps rehydrate your skin. And a lot of people have been asking me to review it, and they have made a lot of variations of this Moisture Bomb tissue mask. Hey guys, it's Huss here. I talk about lifestyle, grooming and fragrances. Subscribe and learn life with me. So I have talked about a Garnier skin product before, the eye tissue mask, which was very successful for my eyes, improved my eyes a lot. And whenever I go to drugstores, a lot of people have been buying this skincare product. And they have made a lot of them, like I said before. It is said that one mask equals 1 week high rehydration. It's really good for dehydrated skin. Today in this video, I'm going to try it and see what I think about it. Because I have never used a Garnier Moisture Bomb tissue mask before. So this will be my first time. And again, we have to wait for 15 minutes. Let's do this. I was thinking of getting a night Moisture Bomb because it's like 9 PM right now. Nighttime, yeah. Hope so, I'm doing it right. So let's wait for 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
Now I'm going to apply the serum onto my skin and my neck. Slowly. I just finished using the pomegranate Garnier Moisture Bomb. What I gotta say is that it's an amazing product, and I understand why a lot of people have been buying it. When I applied it on my skin, it instantly rehydrated my skin, making my skin look smoother and hydrated. As I said before, one mask equals 1 week of rehydration. To be honest, I don't really like pomegranate, but I really like the smell of pomegranate. And when I was looking to buy a Garnier skin mask, a lot of people recommend me this one because they say it's the most popular one, and I can understand why. Because I really wanted to try the Garnier Moisture Bomb night one and the charcoal one and the lavender one as well, but a lot of people recommended me this one. It also says that after 4 weeks, your fine lines will be reduced and your skin will look more plumper. So guys, if you're looking to get into skincare or try any face mask, I would recommend any of the Garnier Moisture Bombs tissue mask. They're £3 or maybe cheaper in other stores. It's worth it. You can get any of them. I recommend the pomegranate the most because that's my first one I've used. They do a good job of hydrating your skin, which is the main goal. This is Huss here. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos on grooming, lifestyle and fragrances. Thanks guys for watching. Take care.